Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program in Python to take a list of numbers and remove duplicates from it. So first, I will declare a list and then I will take input of some numbers from the user. So for that, I will start a for loop. So I have written here for I in range 5. And then I will take input, and using the append function, I have appended those inputs into list. So this is how we can take input from the user for some numbers. And now I will declare another list in which I will store the unique numbers. So I have declared a list named unique list. And then I will start a for loop. So for n in LST, so this for loop will go through the list of the numbers which user entered and then will check for the condition. So now I will write those conditions. So if n not in unique list means if the number which is not already present in that unique list, what I will do here is I will append that number into the list. So this is the program to do this. I will explain you again. Let me print the original list and the unique list. So I have printed here the original list, and similarly I have also printed here the unique list. So let's understand what this is doing. So I have declared a list named unique list in which I'm storing all unique numbers, and using a for loop I am taking every number from this list, and then I am checking if n means that number is not present in this unique list. Let's say first I have inputted the value 1. So 1 will here, and this will check if that 1 is present in this list. If not, this will be appended. And again, let's say the second number is also 1. So the 1 will gets here, and this will check if this is present. If this is present, this will not append and will go to the next one. So this is how this will work. So let's see this into action. So I will run it. Okay, so here I will input some numbers. Let's say 11, 22, 34, again 22, and then 65. So here you can see the original list is this: 11, 22, 34, 22, and again 65. And list without duplicates is this, as 22 is duplicate. So in the list without duplicates, it gets removed from that. So this is how you can write a program in Python to take input of some numbers and remove duplicates from it. The source code and the resources is in the description. Check those out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.